Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix screen rotation not working or auto rotate is not working on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open settings and then you have to tap on display and brightness. Now scroll it down and then you have to tap on view option. Now, as you can see, guys, it's showing here larger text or default option. Maybe in case of you are showing here zoom or standard option, so you have to check on standard. If you're showing standard here, if it's showing default, then you have to tap on default, tap on turn. Now use standard option. Now wait for a while from here. Now again tap on turn. And after that, what you need to do is just simply check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again. Then you have to scroll it down from here, tap on general. Now scroll it down, tap on shutdown option. So you have to slide to the side, and after that you have to turn on your device, so it will fix many problems. So maybe it will fix your problem. So after that, check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the password is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all setting. Here you have to put your passcode, and after that you have to tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no data meter will be deleted. And after that you have to restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.